Conquer the COVID.
Oh, God, I can't do another night of Gordo sex talk. Tell me, I'm going to bed.
Sports Radio 96.7 and 1310. The Tick.
I'm WFAA's Pete Delphus. When severe weather is in the forecast,
What's your take on that, Zephyr?
Well, first of all, just because monopoly is a constant threat against which we need to be always vigilant and always enforcing laws, doesn't mean we should give up the whole game. And the example of AT&T, or the example of the antitrust investigation of IBM, all of these big antitrust cases led to...
Hey, Doggy Rodriguez and my family at Dodge City Mechanic. July brings summer clearance event right into our showroom floor. Beat the heat in a new Chrysler Pacifica with $7,500 off MSRP, or drive off in a new Ram 1500 with $12,000 off MSRP. Choose your next new vehicle at Dodge City Mechanic from our huge inventory of new...
And you're not really you can't trust your own eyes.
.com. If you have IRS problems, you have legal problems, and you need an attorney. You need me, Nick Namath, the DFW tax attorney.
Don't want to wait 30 to 45 days to access your home's equity? Credit Union of Texas can help you now. With a CUTX Fast Track loan, you can close in as little
playing computer games on the sofa, and so you just get more productive people, and that basic stability in life.